It doesn't feel that different, huh?
Okay.
Thank you. The sunrise. Did you see that?
You get video footage? Can you just go over and move?
It came at a really random time.
You don't want the spicy one? Yeah, spicy. Oh, you want the regular one that you wanted. Okay.
Better than last one? No?
That one better. You tried the other one?
Whoa.
Pretty good.
I like the other one better.
That one better, right?
One more. I like this one more. Yeah. You want to buy the original?
Is that better than this one?
I don't know. I didn't try the.
I think this one's better.
Ah.
Neither. No.
The 7-Eleven. I think this tastes so bad. I do 7-Eleven on top.
We have a winner.
Look at what I want to have for you. This is gonna be awesome. Evan? Last
Family Mart.
Family Mart. Which one do you want to eat first?
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Oh wow, that looks good.
Was in there egg and cheese?
It's just eggs.
It's just egg and mayo, I think. Oh, Japanese mayo,
Kewpie?
right?
It's good.
There is mayo in there, right?
It's egg salad with mayo.
Gotcha.
No.
Try the next one.
I like the 7-Eleven one. Oh wait, that wasn't 7-Eleven.
That was Family Mart.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
This one has way less filling. Look at this. They taste exactly the same. This just has less filling. Okay. This one really tastes different than the others. No, I think I like this one the most.
Family Mart?
Yeah, this is my favorite, and then 7-Eleven. No. Yeah, I think.
It's the 7-Eleven, yeah.
Oh, need to keep
I think
asking more
7-Eleven's
sense,
the worst actually. Or what do you think?
Yeah, that one.
This one's the
It's
best,
like
right?
the less offensive one.
Yeah, I agree. It's Lawson. No, this is Family Mart? Oh, shit. That's Lawson. Sorry. First one was Family Mart. And that one's 7-Eleven.
I'm not gonna lie to you, they all taste the same.
That's what I was saying.
Two of them are a little bit more sour.
Yeah, they taste different.
I mean, I'm sure there's differences, but
Yeah,
it's not
no,
a
for
big,
the most part.
it's not a very big difference.
Damn, that was
You take it, or how do you take it?
It's so strange, like this much nature, and then you see like,
the skyline.
yeah. I quite like It's my name.
So fall, so good. Look at us.
Oh, that's really good. That's a really good shot.
What's the counter?
Oh. 짠.
A really nice bar in here, like a rooftop bar. It's really demonetized.
Steal my shots, bro.
Only one?
What you want? Go pick what you want.
Can we go in, out, or out? Ooh.
Doesn't matter. How is yours more delicious?
That's the strong. Yeah. I should went with the strong.
I don't like this.
That's so weird.
No, I'm going with the bathroom. You're telling me they have this in New York and we never had this shit? I'm sillier in your videos. Could have been a tad spicier though.
Two words and then another. Non-Europeans. Even in
John.
10.
But no, this has been a food experience.
Is your camera broken? Here's a little bit better too.
Did you shop?
We just looked around.
Well, can you hold my hand?
Hi.
Hi. Do you like these shoes? I'm tired.
Show me your ring.
You like my handy cam?
You did say you were gonna bring that.
Whoa.
You fixed it?
Look at how small this is.
Actually, I think you're right. It is related.
If you can have breakfast, then you might as well come here and eat.
this.
Thank you.
What else to do at the class? We can do the boot class at the Sapporo brewery.
A です。英語の A です。英語の A さん。ありがとうございます。A さん。
It's delicious though. Pretty yummy.
If it was truly flat, I think it maybe wouldn't be a problem. And I feel like normally, well, if it's optimal conditions.
Airport is train station. There's the cabin. Yeah, exactly. So you go down and there's the express.
Eat it.
It's going in.
Oh my god, this sauce goes crazy.
Careful from here.
I'm shaking. My camera's shaking. Yeah, every single girl has boots on.
Regular takoyaki. This is like
Actually, stop food case.
still in the picture. Any model is after American. Where is that Zoids? Zoids. Join the Korean tour group.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you what they're saying.
Drink it. Not bad.
Wait, there's a mountain or something.
Bleh. Bleh.
You wanna go stand?
Its service train bound for New Chitose Airport.
It's like the yogurt drink.
I don't know where to go. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Pretty bad. The black one, no?
That's pretty good.
It's Hawaii style.
Yeah. Or it's sakura. Or maybe it's cherry blossom or something.
What do you think it's gonna taste like?
Crunchy. Middle?
Huh?
Middle of the road?
Middle of the road. Oh, look at it.
Pretty good?
It's like the egg salad taste.
Oh.
You need a hot sauce.
I mean, it's not bad. I wish the bread wasn't a steamed bun. I'll try the beef stew first.
It's okay, right?
I would buy this.
I don't think you're gonna either. But then you ordered the beer. You went rogue.
I went rogue. Yeah, I have a life.
Are you scared? When I saw it on someone's video, I was thinking, oh, I think Victor would like that.
Here you go.
Is it delicious?
It's really crumbly.
Oh shoot.
It's so crumbly. So strange. I don't even know what is happening.
Pretty! Oh,
It doesn't open.
it doesn't open?
That.
Put it on my hand.
Just keep it without the crown, right?
Yeah.
Yo, he looks mean bad.
Kill me.
Good.
이게 절대 있었네.
Did you not? Oh, let's go. Now he completed the 4 meals. And like, shoot, it's like this big. I like this.
Amy, are you okay holding all that?
Okay.
a glass of foam. Why'd you get the same one? Oh, that's so cute.
This thing almost tastes like Japanese.